Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Go on more screaming moolah la, yeah. Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Got 'em all screaming ooh la la, yeah. I don't want no love. You know me, I only think about funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh man. This is so boring here in nature. What am I gonna do? Huh. That's familiar. Who's that noise? Oh my freaking goshens. Those birds are completely irritating me. I can't stand to do something fun, because of their stupid chirping. What am I gonna do right now? Well, since birds like to eat bird seeds, guess I have to feed them with my human food. And I hope those birds will eat and be happy about my human food. Ha 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 ha. Oh boy. I can't wait to rid those birds who have been eating my human food. Uh-oh. What the hell have I done to those birds? I think they're angry right towards me. I'd better scram out before I'll get. Ow, 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 ow. That really hurts. My body is scratched and it's bleeding. You'll pay for this for hurting me, you maniacal birdies.
Hey. Young mister, please stand up from the ground.
Hi Matteo. Is there something wrong to you?
Yes it is. I saw you feeding those birds with your own food. Why did you want to feed them?
As a matter of the truth, because those birds are pissing me off for invalid times. Good offense, isn't it?
Absolutely not. Dark Snow Charlie the Anteater. Feeding birds can get angry and making your body hurt. And didn't you realize you're not supposed to feed birds with human foods? Birds are meant to eat bird seeds so they can get healthy. That's it. I'm calling your parents and the Wildlife Authority. Now scram and return home.
Dark Snow Charlie the Anteater. Are you completely insane or something? We got reported from Matteo that you fed the birds with your own food and got scratched by them. You do realize that human foods are unhealthy towards animals, and they have sufficient food in nature.
In addition, what you did worsens the risk of zoonotic diseases because you made wildlife interact more frequently with humanity. That is it, kid. You're punished for a fortnight.
You have no other choice, but going upstairs to your own bedroom. And as for that, remain in there and you ought not to quit until you learn your strict lesson not to feed birds or any animals again.